the ultimate New York City travel guide. 10 must-visit places. Have you ever dreamed of visiting the city that never sleeps? New York City, with its towering skyscrapers, vibrant streets, and endless energy, is a dream destination for travelers worldwide. Hello everyone, my name is Shyam Thapa, and today we're embarking on an exciting journey to uncover the top 10 must-visit places in New York City. From the dazzling lights of Times Square to the tranquil oasis of Central Park, we'll experience the heart and soul of this incredible city. Get ready to be inspired to plan your own unforgettable New York adventure. Times Square, where the city never sleeps. Our first stop takes us right into the heart of New York City. Times Square. Imagine yourself surrounded by towering digital billboards, flashing lights, and a sea of people from all walks of life. This is where the city's energy is most palpable, especially as the sun sets and the billboards illuminate the night. Look around and you'll see street performers showcasing their talents, hoping to captivate the passing crowds. You'll hear the sounds of taxis honking, music playing, and conversations buzzing. Times Square is a feast for the senses, and it's a must experience when you're in New York City. As you wander through Times Square, take some time to explore the countless stores that line the streets. From souvenir shops to world-renowned brands, you'll find everything you can imagine. Grab a bite to eat at one of the many restaurants, or simply people watch and enjoy the spectacle of it all. Times Square is a place where dreams are made of, and it's easy to see why millions of tourists flock here each year. So come and experience the magic of Times Square for yourself. Central Park, a tranquil escape in the city. Next, we're escaping the hustle and bustle to find peace and tranquility in the heart of the city's Central Park. This sprawling green oasis offers a welcome respite from the concrete jungle, inviting you to relax, unwind, and reconnect with nature. As you stroll along the winding paths, breathe in the fresh air and admire the lush greenery. Rent a bike and explore the park on two wheels, or opt for a leisurely stroll and discover hidden corners. Be sure to visit the iconic Bethesda Terrace, an architectural gem overlooking the lake. Its intricate carvings and stunning views make it a popular spot for photos and relaxation. Whether you're looking for a romantic picnic spot, a place to jog, or simply a moment of peace and quiet, Central Park has something for everyone. It's a testament to the city's commitment to green spaces and a reminder that beauty can be found even in the most urban of environments. The Statue of Liberty and Ellis Island, a journey through history. No trip to New York City is complete without a pilgrimage to one of the world's most iconic symbols of freedom, the Statue of Liberty. Standing tall on Liberty Island, Lady Liberty welcomes visitors from all corners of the globe, representing hope and opportunity. As you approach the statue by ferry, take a moment to appreciate its sheer scale and grandeur. Imagine the millions of immigrants who, upon seeing this majestic figure, felt a sense of hope and possibility as they arrived in America. After experiencing the Statue of Liberty, hop on a ferry to nearby Ellis Island. This historic island served as the gateway for millions of immigrants entering the United States between 1892 and 1954. Walking through the Ellis Island Immigration Museum, you'll be transported back in time, learning about the hopes, dreams, and challenges faced by those who came to America seeking a better life. A visit to the Statue of Liberty and Ellis Island is not just a sightseeing trip. It's a journey through history and a reflection on the values that have shaped a nation. Chapter 4. Prepare to be amazed as we ascend to breathtaking heights at the Empire State Building. This iconic skyscraper, once the tallest in the world, continues to captivate visitors with its Art Deco architecture and unparalleled views of New York City. As you ride the elevator upwards, feel the excitement build with each passing floor. Step out onto the observation deck and be greeted by a panoramic vista that stretches as far as the eye can see. Marvel at the city's iconic landmarks, sprawling parks, and bustling streets, all laid out before you like a miniature masterpiece. For a truly unforgettable experience, visit the Empire State Building at sunset. Watch as the sky transforms into a canvas of vibrant colors, casting a warm glow over the city below. The Empire State Building is more than just a skyscraper. It's a symbol of human ingenuity and ambition, a testament to the city's unwavering spirit. Chapter 5. Calling all art enthusiasts. Our next stop takes us to a world-renowned institution that houses an unparalleled collection of art and artifacts. The Metropolitan Museum of Art, fondly known as the Met. Prepare to be transported through time and cultures as you wander through the Met's sprawling galleries. From ancient Egyptian tombs to Renaissance masterpieces, Impressionist paintings to modern art installations, the Met offers a comprehensive journey through art history. Admire the delicate brushstrokes of Van Gogh's Starry Night, marvel at the intricate details of ancient Roman sculptures, and lose yourself in the vibrant colors of Impressionist landscapes. Whether you're an art aficionado or simply appreciate beauty in all its forms, the Met is a must-visit destination. It's a place where you can escape into the world of art, find inspiration, and deepen your appreciation for human creativity. Chapter 6. Get ready to be dazzled by the bright lights and captivating performances of Broadway. No trip to New York City is complete without experiencing the magic of a Broadway show. From classic musicals to cutting-edge plays, Broadway offers a theatrical experience like no other. As you enter the Grand Theater, feel the excitement build in anticipation of the curtain rising. The lights dim, the orchestra begins to play, and you're transported into a world of song, dance, and storytelling. Broadway performers are renowned for their talent and stage presence, captivating audiences with their powerful voices, intricate choreography, and compelling performances. From beloved classics like The Phantom of the Opera and Chicago to Tony Award-winning new productions, Broadway offers a diverse range of theatrical experiences. So, dress to impress, grab your playbill, and prepare to be enchanted by the magic of Broadway. Lace up your walking shoes and prepare for an iconic New York City experience, a stroll across the Brooklyn Bridge. This architectural marvel, connecting Manhattan to Brooklyn, offers not only stunning views, but also a journey through history. As you begin your walk across the bridge, take a moment to appreciate its intricate design and the sheer scale of its construction. Feel the gentle sway of the bridge beneath your feet and listen to the sounds of the city below. The Brooklyn Bridge is more than just a bridge. It's a symbol of human ingenuity and a testament to the city's enduring spirit. As you make your way across the bridge, be sure to stop and admire the panoramic views. Gaze out at the Manhattan skyline with its iconic skyscrapers piercing the sky. Look down at the East River with its ferries and boats crisscrossing the water. Once you reach the Brooklyn side, take some time to explore Dumbo, which stands for Down Under the Manhattan Bridge Overpass. This trendy neighborhood offers incredible photo opportunities of both the Brooklyn Bridge and the Manhattan Bridge. Chapter 8. The 9/11 Memorial and Museum, a place for reflection and remembrance. Our journey takes us to a place of profound significance, the 9/11 Memorial and Museum. This somber and moving tribute honors the victims of the September 11th attacks and stands as a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. As you approach the memorial, you'll be drawn to the two reflecting pools, situated where the Twin Towers once stood. The names of the victims are etched in bronze panels surrounding the pools, creating a powerful and emotional tribute. Take a moment of silence to reflect on the lives lost and the impact of that tragic day. The 9/11 Museum, located beneath the Memorial Plaza, offers a deeper understanding of the events of September 11th. Through artifacts, photographs, and first-hand accounts, the museum tells the stories of the victims, survivors, first responders, and those who lost loved ones. A visit to the 9/11 Memorial and Museum is a deeply personal experience. Chapter 9. Fifth Avenue, a shopper's paradise. Get ready to indulge in some retail therapy as we head to Fifth Avenue, New York City's premier shopping destination. From luxury brands to department stores, Fifth Avenue offers a shopping experience like no other. As you stroll down this iconic street, you'll be surrounded by window displays showcasing the latest fashions, sparkling jewelry, and coveted accessories. Whether you're a serious shopper or simply enjoy browsing, Fifth Avenue is a feast for the eyes. Step inside legendary department stores like Saks Fifth Avenue and Bergdorf Goodman, where you'll find everything from designer clothing to home goods. Even if you're not in the mood to spend, a walk down Fifth Avenue is a must-do. Admire the elegant architecture of the buildings, people watch the fashionable crowds, and soak in the vibrant atmosphere of this iconic shopping street. Chapter 10. One World Observatory. Above it all. Our final stop takes us to breathtaking heights at One World Observatory, located at the top of One World Trade Center. Prepare for an unforgettable experience as we ascend to the tallest building in the Western Hemisphere and witness panoramic views of New York City like no other. As you ride the high-speed elevator, watch in awe as a time-lapse video shows the evolution of the New York City skyline. Step out onto the observation deck and be greeted by 360-degree views that will leave you speechless. From this vantage point, you can see it all: the iconic landmarks, the sprawling parks, the bridges spanning the rivers, and the bustling streets below. Take your time to identify familiar sights and discover hidden gems. Point out the Empire State Building, the Statue of Liberty, Central Park, and all the other iconic landmarks that make New York City so unique. Outro, your New York City adventure awaits. And there you have it, the top 10 must-visit places in New York City. From the dazzling lights of Times Square to the tranquil oasis of Central Park, from iconic landmarks to world-class museums, New York City offers an unforgettable experience for every traveler. Which of these incredible places are you most excited to visit? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're planning your trip to New York City, be sure to check out my other videos for more travel tips and inspiration. Until next time, happy travels.